Oh no, it broke. It broke. Like, it broke straight away, didn't it?
What's that on?
You
passed it on a bit.
Oh, yeah, a bit of the camera holder. Not that camera holder, different.
Like a tripod?
Well, it was as part of this. Oh yeah, you can see actually.
Where?
There.
Oh, cool.
Two people with dementia joined us for a long
I tightened it. Tightened it to
raise awareness and also to discuss the power of music.
What's an example of thermal softening?
Something in science.
And Mary Ann Marmon.
I know.
That drop's got bigger.
Wow.
Francis Clayton, an advisor
Got a
for
big nose, huh?
dementia
Big low bar.
accompanied them to the studio in London. To introduce us, Francis, to the two guests you brought with you, and it's been quite a journey for you.
I don't know a card you've
It's been a really exciting
I don't know if we will
journey.
do
We're
it,
so
but
excited to be
well,
at
quite
Radio
young.
2, if not a little bit nervous, but yeah, oh, you're amazing. You're absolutely amazing, Marianne and Tony. This journey, it's been a really big deal, but yeah, it's worth it. That's right. Tony comes from Bicester, and Marianne lives near Whitney, don't you, Marianne?
In the Deer Park area.
Yeah, and so we just felt it was so important to come down. What their life's like. You know, these are real people. You know, there's not some celebrity talking about how it is for their mum. These are real people that have come.
The first time we did that, we were so scared it will.
What their life's like.
It's like, I'm out the window.
You'll feel able to, and then change it.
Go on, Terry, tell us a bit about your
No, but if he's on the pivot,
Where did you grow up? Well, I grew up in
it's always worse when you're at the bottom side of the car.
Oh yeah, definitely. Like, this will feel bad, but where you are, it probably feels bad.
Not bad, but
Yeah, like, do you know when we were almost turning on at Cork? On the pivot? I did not think we were on I thought we were just like what we're going to do here. I thought it was absolutely fine. And you started getting scared, so I got very scared. Because you're never scared.
I'm not scared for the actual roll, I'm scared for how much more bollock me when I get home and my car's got over it.
Do you know what
I mean? Rolling
Yeah. I'm like just scared of what my dad will say, and my mum will say because it's not actually an
You
unplugged.
find that your mobility is affected, don't you?
So it's your dad's fault. Thing is, it takes a few parents to know claim that you crash,
Yeah.
which is bad, yeah.
Oh, you can check.
Yeah. Which is really bad. Your dad's probably got protected no claim.
What about you in this?
It comes with minor claims.
Oh yeah, you're on the
Yeah, you're on the main driver. If it's basically whoever's the main driver, he goes with their no claims. Yeah, but you've got to have a certain amount of.
Should we move on?
You might clear it.
My wife, Diamond, bless her, she has been my support.
Even in fucking Lowbox, yeah, you can move it.
And where did you grow up?
Even in Lowbox, you can move it
I
now.
grew up in Long Island, New York, and then I met my husband when I went to California, and we had our 3 children, and then I moved back to Canada where he was from, and then we've ended up here. We've been here for how many years? I don't know, it's like...
Your husband's on the other side of the glass. I'm looking at 40? 31. 31, he says. You're like, oh, must be And when were you diagnosed, Marianne?
Oh, it was when I was 65, and it's now...
I hate the feel of rotten log.
I don't mind it.
Now I'm 65.
Soft, like, slightly wood.
I've had it for 10 years.
As the infamous Suzuki Jimny seatbelt
How did it feel?
Out the window.
dropped on the ground.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe
didn't
it.
know
I
that.
wanted to tell you, but constantly deny it.
For now.
As a
There's a boy working on forever.
sometimes
We've not actually been down this side, have we? Because it gets too tough. Do we always just revert? Will someone cut it all back?
Lots of different things that I have to be careful of for my motor abilities. But they are workable.
Francis, I feel bad talking about our 2 lovely guests in front of them, but they, to me, as I'm listening to you, Marianne, and you,
You're gonna
Tony,
feature.
I don't see
She's going to be famous on YouTube.
too much of a problem there, because you're looking straight at me and you're answering my questions, and So, is it just the early stages, Francis? Is that the point?
Yeah, you generally don't get quite that close to people as you pass.
So well, and I think what's really helped is that we've prepared, we've got our notes here.
You very rarely speak to people who have got dementia.
No,
You're
that's
speaking
not
so clearly.
I don't know, I don't think it is.
So well.
Fairly sure there's some nice little rocks that we go off.
We're not prepared. We have worked.
I don't even know if we'd be that fearful of the megawatts now. Probably would.
It means such a lot to them to tell
We have had a okay. This is where, yeah, we couldn't do it because we had to take the jerrycans off the roof. So this tree.
And not just ignore them and think,
I've got a chainsaw.
probably he's getting old.
I've got the chainy.
And this is in the song inside.
This is where it comes out.
Tony, that's what you say, isn't it? Because you say, you have to say, I am.
On the other side of the tree.
You say, I am still me. I am still me. I will always be me.
Oh, this is a fucking.
I will always be me. But on the outside looking at me, I am not me.
No, we may as well let the woman know. We can't drive through that.
Is 20%.
Is that the Mighty Oak you on about?
Levi's and 10%. Anyway, well, I must admit.
Yours is the frontal
I
one.
bet the woman knows.
Yeah, mine's the frontal one, and this dementia bit was 20%. I'm not going to try.
Don't worry about the statistics. Really, don't worry.
Right, folks out
Hit
there,
yourself,
thank you for joining me.
Well, thank you. Thank you for your song. Is there any particular song you really love, Marianne?
I bet she thinks we're right now.
Oh,
Because we.
well,
Doesn't matter, you can't defeat a fallen tree. You can, you get the offer.
We can. With a chainsaw. You can with your birthday. Birthday, not Christmas present.
Oh my goodness, I just found what? Woman.
Hmm. She might hear us coming because we are in low box.
We're not in first.
Did she turn around? Because we passed her there.
Could be.
She might just be really small now. Honey, I shrink the dog walk. And the dogs. No, that's a bit of cricket.
No, there's some little side routes up and down.
Well, I cannot see a single one unless she's a mountain climber.
No, there was one sort of slide.
I think she might be in one.
By a duck.
They were pretty big.
Should I make sure where I can be brake light? Get into that stick.
Oh my god.
What?
That is right.
We have no brake lights?
You are?
We have no brake lights left.
You got?
Get on forever. No, I'm lying. I'm just really good at lying.
It's because you're so blasé about literally everything that you don't know if it's actually bad or not.
Blase. Take it that way. It does look really fun. Why has somebody done all this in their tractor and then not cleared the Mighty Oak?
Maybe it went down about 2 hours ago.
It could have actually happened. Now they're going down in a mega windstorm. Or in mega rain. So Grace. You have to wait the house so people don't know who I am.
Oh, she turned. That is quite
We're
quick.
travelling free.
Yeah, we're pretty fast go off. We'll let them go down.
Right, it should get into two-wheel drive. Get up to 5th.
Blast. Bowl faster. High speed.
Use the dogs as ramps.
Could happen.
Take off. What do you think you hit a dog on CL1000 on 5th gear?
I don't think you'd notice because you'd already be dead. But you have to know you're a better dog when your eyes are falling out.
We'll probably get back in time.
The speed.
At 5th gear power band.
Cheers.
5th gear power band on CL1000.
It doesn't exist. It does not
You're
exist.
hitting.
It's never been seen before.
How fast do you reckon you'd be going when you hit it?
Millions.
No, you'd be probably like
At least millions.
200.
You're into the tens of millions.
No, it'd be a solid 50
It's
miles an
probably
hour.
the world's fastest vehicle, just no one is brave enough to get in there. Like, you know Concorde?
Yeah.
Concorde was a CF 500. It wasn't actually, it's not breaking the sound barrier, it's just hitting the rebel there. Bang, 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 bang!
Oh, big drop.
What's that? Rocco roll out.
Hardly anyone not involved in this
Oh,
record.
no, no.
Danger zone.
Not a normal show today, it is.
Get her down.
Jeremy Vine Show, Review of the Year on BBC Radio 2.
And we started this process of review.
That went quite well.
Yesterday, when we featured many of the biggest news themes of the year, and today.
They call me
as
Captain
well,
Man.
at the moment,
Oh.
you said caught your attention. Some funny, some emotional.
I think it's Americans looking at you, Alan.
More emotional than the last night you had the dementia one. Also some
I don't know.
strange items as well. And
Well.
I suppose
you're thinking
jumping
of
out
Mike
of
Mark.
that category will be
Go
the
that.
aquarium on Anglesey. Now,
Don't you go over that?
I could if I wasn't bad by there. Well, I could if I wanted up a cat. One of the two.
Where it only invited
Well,
to
go
an
hand in hand,
event
though.
for which
You'll go over
people
anything
were
if you don't mind if it doesn't work
A
for
whole
yourself.
event back in the day.
I don't know if you'll go over anything.
Go over that, I'll throw it. You could get to any place on the earth if you weren't worried about the cat. Provided you got unlimited fixes of the cat, because you could get to the top of Everest because you better get 8 attempts.
He wasn't a happy winkle at all.
I actually wonder what happened if you hit Power Band CR.
You was it?
Power Band CR 1000 and you just went straight into a brick wall.
You die. You disintegrate.
Oh no, no, you
You'd be a
died.
shadow.
I don't know what had happened to you.
You'd be a shadow. You'd probably just go back in time before it happened. No, a CR500 isn't that fast. Subaru, the CR500 isn't that fast. Top speed. It doesn't actually get a squillion. It probably goes 150, if that. 130.
Well, CR 1000 is pretty good for you.
Like 140. So you could have got a Terrier soon.
Oh, that. You could have got that. Smart car. Smart cars are just the supreme mobile.
There was a smart. Where was it? There was a smart car where his number plate was XXL. What was sliding back there? My lock and wheel on the right hand tray